Okay, so guys, let's look at this concept here that involves the application of double brackets. So the question is, a rectangle is shown below. You can see our rectangle there, and the length is x plus 9, the width is x minus 1, and then the question is saying form an expression for the area of the rectangle. Now, you know from grade 8 that if you've been given a rectangle of this sort, maybe 2 and 3 there, or of course it should have been the other way around, 3 and 2, we were always multiplying the length and the width. So the same is the case here, all right? So our length is this, and our width is that. So to form an expression, we are going to multiply these two. And to multiply these two, it means we are going to say x plus 9 times x minus 1. And then from here, you can easily tell to say this is just like the expansion of double brackets. So you remember from what we've been doing, you have to keep and then break. So using that method now would mean we say x over the second bracket, which is x minus 1, and then we say plus 9 because there is a plus 9 here, over the second bracket, which is x minus 1. So now if we do that, we're going to say x times x to give us x squared minus x, and then because x times negative 1 is minus x, and then when we multiply 9 times x, we get plus 9x, and then positive 9 times negative 9, we say this is negative 9. If you are missing out on how we breaking and keeping, please watch the video that this one has followed. We talked about how to expand and break and keep so that you can follow us nicely. So now here we are not done. These two are like terms, and it's like you've got negative 1x plus 9x. So the signs are different, and we said if the signs are different, we subtract the two terms. So we say 9 minus 1, which gives us what? 8. Now, what sign will this 8 have? It is going to come from the number that is bigger. So we've got 9 here, so this is going to be positive 8. So it means here we're going to have x squared plus 8x minus 9. So this is the expression for the area of this rectangle. So the idea really is to remember that the area of a rectangle is length times width, and then you know what your length is, which is x plus 9, and then your width is x minus 1. And then when we multiply the two, we realize that we are simply expanding the double brackets that we've done. This is a very good question, and expect such kind of questions when you are writing the test for expansion and simplification of brackets. Guys, let's look at another example, another question that I picked that is very good, and I feel we need to check it out. Okay, so this is the question here. Expand and simplify. You see we've got 2 brackets here which have been multiplied, and again 2 brackets here, and we're adding everything together. So this is like a combination of double brackets. You expand 2 separate ones and then you add them. So the idea is still the same. We're going to deal with these 2 again, later on deal with these 2, then we add the 2 because that's the sign that we've got there. So it's like break and keep. We keep and then we break this one for the first part. So I'm going to cut this into 2, okay? So keeping the second would mean w, and then we say w plus 4, and then plus 3 there, and then we say w plus 4. Okay, we're just expanding and simplifying the first part here. So w times w gives us w squared plus 4w. Then, because we are multiplying like that, then plus 3 times w gives us 3w, and then 3 times 4 gives us 12. we need to simplify the like terms here. So 4 plus 3 gives us 7w and then plus 12. Okay, so we keep this part first for now, and then we jump to the other part of brackets here. So we're going to keep this guy here and then distribute the terms in the first bracket over the second. So it means we're going to have w and then w plus 7. There's a plus 2 there, and then we say w plus 7. We expand this again. So this is going to give us w times w gives us w squared. W times 7 gives us 7w, and then positive 2 times w gives us 2w, and then 2 times 7 gives us 14. We need to simplify the like terms here. So we see 7w plus 2w gives us 9w plus 14, and then plus w here. Okay. So now we need to add these two here. So I'm just going to just do this. If you can give me a second, let me just remove this part here. Okay, so now we're going to add these two. So it's like we've got now plus w squared plus 9w plus 14. Okay, so guys, this is what I'm just trying to add to the one that we found. So you can see you've got 1w here and then 1w squared there. These two are like terms. So we add them because there's a plus there. We're going to get 2w squared. Okay, so we've got 7w here, which is like terms with 9w there. This should give us 16w squared, 16w. We've got plus 12 plus 14, which should give us plus 26. So it means the expansion and simplification of this expression here comes down to the answer, which should have been here, is now 2w squared plus 16w plus 26. And there you go. So guys, thank you very much for your time again. Please, if you haven't subscribed to your YouTube channel, where we'll be posting videos of every work we do during the week, so that if you want to have a recap, you can just get onto that and help yourself with some videos. So thank you very much. Please subscribe, and yeah, let's watch out for the next video, which is on expansion of triple brackets. Thank you very much.